Hi viewers, in this video I am gonna show you how you can create a Gmail ID or Gmail account. So let's start. Open your browser and write here google.com. Hit enter. Write Gmail sign up. Hit enter. You have to open this first link, https:/accounts.google.com/signup. You have to click on this sign up. Click on this. Fill out this form. Give your first name. Here you have to choose your username. This will be your email address, so choose this carefully. For example, I am checking that technology. This username is taken. Try another, so I have to try another one. This username is taken. Okay, the technology group is available. So create a password. You must use at least 8-character password. Don't use a password from another sites or something too obvious like your pet names or your username or something that is easily guessable. So make a strong password. Making a password. So the password strength is make. It's a strong password. Try to use capital alphabet, small alphabet and 1 digit. The password must be the combination of these. Confirm password. Again give a password. Enter a date of birth. You must remember these kind of things, that what is your date of birth, because if you forgot your password then it may be ask you to recover your password through your date of birth, so you have to remember your date of birth. Enter the phone number. So this is my phone number. Your current email address. Remember, this step is very important and be careful about this step, because if you forgot your password and you want to recover your password, so you will recover the password through this email address. Make sure that you entered here the email address, you know that person, because the password code will be sent to that email. So I'm putting my old email address here. And location's fine, and click next. Save. All these are term and condition. Yes, I am agree with Google term and condition. Click on I agree. click on continue. So now you have created your email address as the mtechnologygroup@gmail.com has created. So this is now my email address. So let's see how many email I got. Click on email. You can see the welcome page is just a first time, so you have to click on next, or simply you can cross, but that's fine. So here you have got an email from Gmail. Dear M, I am so glad that you decided to try out Gmail. Here are a few tips to get you up and running quickly. Okay, thanks. So that's how you can create your own Gmail account. Viewers, thank you for watching and like this video. And if you have any kind of question, kindly leave a comment. I will answer you. And don't forget to subscribe this channel. I will be back with another video. Have a good day.